I'm Laurie-Ann Murabito. I am a speaker, an author, best known in the leadership area. I have been speaking for about 10 years now. I was just having a really hard time making and crafting and constructing a keynote that I felt comfortable with and that I knew was really good and that I would enjoy presenting. What I loved about the program is that it walked us through step by step, all together, hearing answers from the group, being able to share our ideas and ask questions, and most importantly, like why you have all of these different parts, why they're so key for the audience. So the program was given for the speaker, the keynoter, but also from the perspective of the audience. I'm a big fan, Darren, of what you produce, and it's always helped me take my speaking to the next level. I have the do-it-yourself program, but I thoroughly enjoyed the actual workshop because I just feel like it brought out a part of me that I didn't know was there. I had two keynotes that I wanted to write at the same time. And because I had one that's in October, one that was a couple of months away, but one that was in a couple of weeks. And I have to say, like, going through the program, so I decided just to concentrate during the workshop on the one that I was giving in a couple of weeks. And it was also for an audience that I'd never spoken for before, meaning it was for the youth market. I shared stuff about myself that I've never shared before with audiences. And all I can say is that people came up to me afterwards and they were just like, oh my God, I loved that. That was exactly what I needed to hear today. So and the woman who hired me, she said to me, that is exactly what I wanted. I was ecstatic that I was able to deliver for the customer exactly what she wanted. I was thrilled that she was happy, and also the feedback and the students, and how I was able to change their lives. Oh God, writing a keynote is so much easier. And the whole point is not to have a ton of keynotes, but to be able to, now it's like I'm able to fine tune each of those keynotes. There was the youth one, but then there's the leadership one that I'm writing for an event that's in about a month. Mm-hmm. And it's just coming together so that it's going to be a memorable presentation. The process helped me tremendously. Oh my God, just do it. Do like Nike, just do it. Jump on the program, attend it live, attend it virtually, whatever you're able. You're going to earn back your money easily in your very first keynote. Absolutely fabulous. It was so good. I signed up for another one because I felt like I was actually there. I felt like the presenters, you and Ed, Darren and Ed, would from time to time, like, look over at the screen and say, hey, like, how's our virtual room? And we got our questions answered. I felt like I was right there.